Think belugas are just cute white whales? Your mind is about to be blown. These ocean ghosts can make human-like voices underwater. Yes, they can literally sound like people talking. And check this out. Their heads aren't just adorably squishy looking. They're filled with special sound-focusing goo. They can literally shape this melon like putty to aim their sonar beams. Want your mind blown even more? These 4,000-pound Arctic giants can swim backwards and turn their heads 90 degrees in any direction. Basically the submarine of the whale world. Here's something wild. Baby belugas are born dark gray, only turn white as they get older, like nature's own glow-up transformation. And get this, they're nicknamed sea canaries because they are the chattiest whales in the ocean, making clicks, whistles, and even chirps. Comment yes if you didn't know these facts.